Here's new trending app called Purp. Make new friends, find people to talk and Snapchat. This app is quickly climbing in the charts, and here is just a quick tutorial for you how to use it, how to use Purp, how to add friends, how to text someone. And this is basically like Tinder but for friendships. So the idea of it is that it's not like a dating app. It's more like a, hang out with people. Maybe of course it can be dating, but also just hanging out, chatting, and all of that. There's a similar app called Bees, so this is basically another one. I think this app was built in Brazil, but it's getting a lot of traction in US. So the idea here is that you just have something like like Tinder. You just swipe right or left. So how to add friends here, because this is not clear for many people. To add friends, you just swipe right, and then that's basically how you send a friend request. If you swipe left, you see this thumbs down emoji, and then you don't send a friend request. If you want to boost your profile and be first in 5 lists for 2 hours, you can just request boost for like 700 gems. Then you can, if you want, you can also rewind, but that costs also gems. And then you can also see someone's profile, mainly photos, and that's the idea. In the top left, you have gems. So you need gems to swipe. If you swipe a lot, then you will just lose your gems. And then you can buy them. Also, you can just upgrade here to the Purp Plus. You can get 1,000 free gems weekly, premium badge, swipe back for free. And then, so that's the idea. It's not that expensive. It's not that cheap. It's like $15 per month. 3 months, $22. There is no yearly price. If you log in every day, you can get some free gems. So anyhow, you just swipe in, and then what happens, someone can add you, and then you kind of become friends here. And then that's the idea. And then that's how you start chatting with someone. That's how you send texts. You can also unfriend, unmatch in top right. And then you also have this add icon in the top right. If you tap on it, you will see someone's Snapchat or Instagram, for example. And then you can continue chatting on there. Then you also have quick add, where you can just send requests there. So there are, you can send requests or things like that. 100 requests for 800 gems, 400 requests for 1500, and that's basically that. Just super easy to quickly send that. So that's the idea. And then if someone else swipes right on you, you will see this friend request. Then you will just be able to add them. And then you can just remove them if you don't like. And then you can just chat with other people here in the chat and then just send them messages. So that's the idea. Like another question around it is like how to edit your preferences. So you can search in your profile, and then here you can select if you want to meet boys, girls, everyone who lives in your country, worldwide, and age range as well. So here you can also change your country. So that's the idea. You can add your Instagram, socials, TikTok. From here, you can also add some photos, country, preview. Then you can have another settings, delete your account from here if you wanna, website. So that's basically what it is. So there you have it. Then you can just search your friends, but this is not like everyone. You can't search people by their username globally. You can just search among your friends and then chat or remove them. So that's the app, basically very easy to use, but there are some few glitches still. And like, for example, if you block someone, you can't unblock. So just remember doing that. Or if you remove a friend, that's it. Also, if you want to reach out to support, it's not working. Probably they just blocked their support because there are so many requests. So basically this app is in progress. It's not beta, but there are still few glitches here and there. You can say that. But yeah, it's getting traction, especially there are a lot of users in US and Latin America. I don't know how safe or legit this is. Like, seems that there are a lot of legit users, but also there are some bots and all of that. So you just decide. Also, I think it's still not available on Android, so there you have it.